Welcome to Assert. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn about using assert statement to check or debug our code. The assert statement will catch errors early on in the code. The assert statement takes two arguments, a condition and an optional error message. So here is the syntax for the assert. So we have just assert, then we have condition, and then error message. The condition returns a Boolean value of either true or false. The error message is the message we want to be displayed if the condition is false. We are going to insert an assert statement in our code, and our code will take a list of names and return all the names in lowercase letters. We expect all the items in the list to be string, so we will use the insert statement to debug for non-string entries. The insert statement will check if all the items in the list are of type string. If one of the items is not a string, it will evaluate to false. It will halt the program and throw an assertion error. And we are going to display the error message. And if all the items are string, it will evaluate to true and run the rest of the code. So let's see if we have list of names, and we are checking for strings to be in our list. The list items, all of those should be string, but we are going to add one number also, so we can check with assert. This is Bob, Robert, Peter, John, and some number such as 5. And our goal is to convert these name into lower cases, but we are going to check with the assert that if there is any item is other than a string, then we are going to throw the error. So let's do that. Names lower, and here we are going to use for loop to iterate I in name, and here we are going to do assert. Here we are going to check the type of our item, and we are going to check if it's a string type. If it's not a string, then we are going to return an error. So we are going to display that error. So this will be non-string item. So, and if there is no error, we are just going to convert the item to lowercase is lower, and we are going to do we are just going to check if it's a lower case, and we are going to add to our list for now. So I will make few of them lowercase, just a couple of those. And so here we're just going to do names lower, and we are going to append, and we are going to add the current item to our new list, names lower. So we are going to have list of just lowercase names such as Robert and John. But for now we have one digit also in our list, so this should throw an error. So let's see, here we're gonna do print, and here we're gonna do names lower, and we're just gonna run our script. So here we get the assertion error, non-string item. So we're just going to remove this one and try it again. And now the code runs, and we get the list of lowercase names. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Asking Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.